some news at this point in time. Madras High Court has directed the CBFC to issue a universal adult certificate for actor Vijay's film Jana Nayagan. That's the story we are breaking at this hour. It's a win in that sense for Vijay. As far as the Jana Nayagan movie case is concerned, it's a universal slash adult certificate for the Jana Nayagan movie. It's a win in that sense for Vijay. In this case, it had in fact reached the Madras High Court that has finally taken this decision, a controversy involving the film. As far as the certification is concerned, the Madras High Court has now ruled in favor of Vijay Jananayagan. In fact, this is Vijay's Tara that has also been in news for the certification, and the court now ruling in favor of Jana Nayagan at this point in time. This is the Vijay's Tara with censor cuts and various other legal problems that it found itself in. The release date, of course, as we know, has been postponed. The court was to pronounce its verdict for the film today, of course, and it has done it at this point in time, with Jana Nayagan getting a chit in that sense from the Madras High Court, now saying that it's going to be universal slash adult certificate for the film. Fans are hopeful of a positive outcome, and it clearly is a positive outcome in favor of Vijay. The release date, though postponed, Apurva getting in more details. The fans are keeping their fingers crossed. It's a victory in that sense for Vijay. Take us through the details of what has been ruled now by the Madras High Court. Okay, this is being touted as Vijay's last film in that sense, because he clearly is all set to enter the political arena. It's a case that in fact had found itself in the Madras High Court. Tells the CBFC now, the Central Board of Film Certification, to ensure that the film gets a UA certificate at this point in time. Apurva is back with us. Apurva, for our viewers, take us through the details of what has now been said by court, and also what really was the bone of contention here.
Well, in fact, what we are getting to learn is that the Madras High Court has directed, CBFC to issue you a 16+ certificate for Jana Nayagan. Remember, this is a major, green flag for Jana Nayagan movie as well, because remember, a lot of contention over what needs to be the certification that needs to be allowed for Jana Nayagan to be released. There were already several cuts that had been made for the film there, and we had also seen how the producers had argued, the legal team had argued, saying that there was already a review in which it had passed for the certification, but yet somehow there was a delay in providing certification. Now the Madras High Court has directed the CBFC to grant UA 16+ certification for Jana Nayagan, a huge win for Thalapathy fans as well, because remember, today was initially the date when Jana Nayagan was all set to be released here, not only in Tamil Nadu but across worldwide. And in fact, just from what you can see in this preparations out here, all of these preparations that you can see, posters, flags, all of this that has been set up here at Rohini Theatre and otherwhere else as well, we can see how it was scheduled to be a grand opening for Jana Nayagan that was all set to be released today. In fact, the court has also said that the one member who gave a complaint to CBFC was an afterthought, and whatever complaint that had been given was beyond his jurisdiction, is what the court has also directed. So definitely a huge win for not only film Jana Nayagan, Thalapathy Vijay, but more importantly for Vijay fans themselves, because they have been eagerly awaiting to catch what Vijay seems to say the last film before his big plunge into politics. So this film to be making its release out here, not only in Tamil Nadu but across the world, for Thalapathy fans to see him for one last time on the big screens, definitely does create a huge impact for the people. In fact, several people, actors, politicians, all of them were quite emotional, and agreeably so, because Jananayagan was a film that has been having a hype for so long, and to see finally the Madras High Court issuing orders directing CBFC to provide certification UA16 plus, that's definitely a huge win for Talapati fans.
Apurva, the very fact is that it got clearance, but in spite of that, complaints were raised about the fact that it, projected the armed forces in a wrong way, also hurt several religious sentiments. Take us through the details of what the complainant had said as far as the matter reaching the court eventually is concerned. What was their contention here?
Well, in fact, what we are getting to learn is that the complaint that had been received was relating to a couple of scenes there that had been shot for Jananayagan films, relating to the defense sector is what we are getting to learn, which was, thought to be an afterthought and a sensitive scenes that were being portrayed, which is why there was a complaint that had been raised by one of the members there. In fact, this was after there had already been a screening for the internal committee there, which had approved it, but later on we did see one of the members coming up and raising, questioning regarding the same, and after that there was a stop that had been put for the certification to be provided for Jananayagan film. But with the hearing that has been ongoing at the Madras High Court, be it the producers or be it from the other side as well, we have seen back to back there have been arguments that have been put forth strong enough by the producers as well. Earlier on we also saw how they had been arguing. One of the statements that came up was that there has been several fans who have been waiting for this, Jananayagan to come out. And not only that, there has already been several cuts that had been made to the film earlier on as well. And all of these cuts had been a decision that had been taken post the initial screening for the internal committee there. And after which, as per the rules and guidelines that they had issued, after which the cuts had been made. And yet, for the certification to be denied, and that too denied until the last hour. Remember today, 9 a.m. this morning, Jananayagan was all set to be released, but unfortunately, because the certification had been put to a stop there, owing to this one particular complainant, there had been a lot of bickering that had been ongoing, and now finally the Madras High Court has now ordered the CBFC to grant UA16 plus certification for Jananayagan film. Remember, Jananayagan and Parasakti, both these films were all set to release today back to back, simultaneously, and there was also an online war that was going on between Talapati fans and Sivakarthikeyan fans regarding, the release of Jananayagan and for the Parasakti films to be released. But unfortunately, with the hold on the certification there, the film wasn't released today. But luckily, now that the Madras High Court has issued orders directing the CBFC to grant UA16 plus certification, it looks like it is going to indeed be a Talapati Pongal for Vijay fans.
Well, absolutely. And of course, there's so much curiosity and anticipation around the film, given that it's going to be touted to be the last film of Vijay before he really enters the political arena.